What's up guys, it's Joe with J Blake Photo, and in today's video I want to talk about something that is very exciting but also very small, coming in a very small package, and that is a Mavic Mini II. Real quick, if you like videos about cameras and drones and gear and video editing and photography and all that great stuff, then please hit the like button. Hitting that thumbs up tells YouTube that I'm making the right kind of videos for you and that I should be making more content like this, and it helps send my content to more people. Of course, if you're not subscribed to the channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and go ahead and hit the bell so that you get notified when I create new videos. If you're already subscribed and you haven't hit the bell, go ahead and do that now. Only 30 or 40% of my subscribers are actually clicking that bell. So go ahead and hit that now if you are subscribed. I'm trying to get to 10,000 subscribers before the end of the year, before the end of 2020, and I'm almost there, so I just need your help. Also, if you're into stills photography, go ahead and find me over on Instagram. I am at jblakephoto. There's a link down below to check out some of the stills that I post in these videos. You're going to find those on Instagram as well. Okay, so enough about that. Now on to this teeny tiny little drone. I hope you didn't just buy a Mavic Mini. I take that back. The Mavic Mini is an awesome little drone. This thing, I don't have one, but I almost want to go get one. It's so cool, it's so lightweight, it's so tiny. But this is going to be an easy one for DJI. This is low-hanging fruit, right? This is a win that they can really just kind of pluck right before the holiday shopping season. All they really needed to do was take the existing Mini, make a couple of little tweaks, just upgrade just a few little things, and boom, they've got a winner on their hands. So here it is. Now, the original Mavic Mini was a tiny little package of super cool technology. It was all packed in this tiny, I'm running out of ways to say small, but it was tiny, lightweight, with a ton of cool features. But it did have just a few things that were missing. Number one, it only shot 2.7K up to 30 frames per second. And with that, it only had a very low 40 megabit per second bitrate. But it's super lightweight, and it had 30 minutes of flight time. And for $399, it came with the controller, and at 249 grams, 249 grams, it was under the FCC limit. You didn't need to have a license. So now here's what we're going to be getting with this update. I don't expect a ton of changes. I think we're still going to be getting that 12 megapixel sensor, but it might be slightly improved. We're going to be getting 4K resolution, up from 2.7K at probably 24 and 30 frames per second. We might even get 2.7K at 60 frames per second. And my real hope is that they increase that bit rate from 40 megabits per second up to 60 or even 80. Now, if you remember, 60 megabits per second at 4K was the original bit rate of the Mavic Pro. I had the Mavic Pro. I enjoyed using the Mavic Pro. It was a great drone. But one thing, especially in even just slightly lower light situations, was some real signal degradation. A lot of artifacting and what I like to call the smear effect. Things got real smushy. But I'm hoping for 4K, 30 frames per second at 60, 80, maybe even 100 megabits per second, all in a package under 250 grams with the 2 kilometer or more distance. We might even see an increase in the range, maybe up to 3 kilometers. And I am expecting an improvement in the flight time. Right now it's just under 30 minutes. We're at about 30 minutes. I'd expect something like 32 or 33 minutes. It is supposedly going to be coming with a slightly larger battery. I think that combined with some improved processing technology, improved electronic motors, and maybe even more lightweight materials, they can really make this thing go just a few more minutes, just a few 100 feet further. And with that, this would be just a super cool little second option for my setup. It would be great for ultralight backpacking or camping excursions. You know, if you watch my previous video that I just recently did on what's looking like going to be the new Canon M50 Mark II, that is a super lightweight little APS-C camera. Imagine that with this in your bag together. What are they, like 700, 800 grams? That's the kind of stuff that makes me super excited, is being able to bring more technology into nature and to keep it with you, in a small side bag. Let me know down in the comments if this is the kind of drone that you're looking for, or if you're more interested in maybe a Mavic Pro 3, or maybe a Phantom 5. Video coming on that soon. And if you like stuff like that, go ahead and hit the like button. Go ahead and hit subscribe if you're not already, and go ahead and hit the bell. If you're a subscriber, please go ahead and click that bell icon. You will be notified whenever I put out a new video. But you might see something that you like. I'm doing videos about news and reviews. I'm doing outdoor videos. I just put out a video about hiking in Zion National Park. I'm about to put out a video about hiking at Lake Mead Recreation Area. Lots of fun stuff on the channel, as well as how-tos, all kinds of stuff. And of course, I'm on Instagram at jblakePhoto. I'm trying to hit 10,000 subs on YouTube. Help me do that by clicking that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.